Hey guys, I'm Jay. I've been in real estate for 22 years and I've seen and done about all the marketing stuff you can think of that has come and gone, a lot of it gone. And if you're wondering what works and how to get a hold of a motivated seller or people that are looking to sell their house, get a hold of Jamel and check out CosMoSys because all I can tell you is what's worked for me. You hold the power to decide if it's for you or not. But he and I did a deal together, and he told me about this program he was working on, and at first I was reluctant, like, yeah, no, man, I've seen it all, I've done it all, and I tell you, I was blown away. The dude is sharp. Like I fully trust the guy with my kid. Good dude. He will treat you right, and CosMoSys is like, it's really everything you need. I don't care if you're new or you've been in the game a while. And he's got a program in there. It's AI, and I'm not too tech savvy, and it will actually like converse with people and lead them to a phone call, which is what this is all about. So if you're new to this or you're afraid of what to do, what to say, man, check out CosMoSys. The dude's he's probably got a free trial too. He's that kind of a guy. I don't know what else to say. I trust the guy. We've done deals together. We'll do more deals together because of this. And I highly recommend him. Check him out. Take care. Good luck.